For awesome video, make sure you have subscribe. In this episode we take a look at how to host a Windows Server IIS. Here, first, we are going to launch a Windows Server in AWS. 2. Giving elastic IP address. 3. Installing IIS in Windows Server. 4. Adding website content in Web Server. 5. Connecting with domain. Let's start. First, go to AWS console panel and log in. Choose your region. In my case I am choosing Asia Pacific, Mumbai. Now go to Service and in Compute click on EC2. Here you can see running instances, elastic IP, key pairs, security group. In this case we are going to launch a new instance, and click on Launch Instance. In first step, we have to choose a machine type image. We are going to select Microsoft Windows Server 2019 base. In second step, we have to choose the instance type. In this case we are going to default setting. In third step, go to default setting. In fourth step, we can customize storage, 30 GB is enough, then click on Next. In fifth step, we have to add tag, add your key and value. In fifth step, configure security group. Choose, create a new security group in, assign a security group, click on Add Rule, and choose HTTP, and leave, protocol, port range and sources default, and click on, Review and Launch. In step 7, take a review of your instance and click on Launch. Create a new key pair, give a name, and click on Download. After successful download, click on Launch Instance. Now we are successfully launched Windows Server. Now click on Service and go to EC2. Now wait a couple of minutes to run instance. Now we are successfully complete step first, launch a Windows Server in AWS. In step 2, we are going to give an elastic IP address. Wait for successfully install. After installing, in left side, click on Elastic IPs, then click on Allocate New Address. Click on Allocate. Here you can see your allocated IP address, then close. Now we have to link allocated Elastic IP address to our instance and private IP. After successfully associate, click on Close. Now go to EC2 dashboard. We have successfully complete step first, launching a Windows server, step second, giving Elastic IP address. Now we have to install IIS on Windows Server. First go to Remote Desktop Connection, Login. After successfully log in, go to Server Manager. And click on Add Role and Features. In Select Server Type, choose Web Server IIS, and click on Add Features, and go to Default Setting and click on Install. Wait a couple of minutes to install. Now go to File Explorer. Then, C Drive. In EPUB. And www root. This folder is basically the folder where you have to host your website. This is your welcome page. You can directly go to welcome page or home page by link, https://localhost. Now your website is lit. You can check through your public IP address. You can see welcome page. Now we have successfully complete 3 step. Now we have to complete 4th step, adding website content in web server. Now copy index file. And paste index file. And go to C Drive, in EPUB, www root, and remove previous file and paste your website content. Now go to browser, and go to localhost to check your website content. Now we complete 4th step and we have to connect IP address with domain. In this step, change value of 8 types records and past your public IP address.